Cake Boss Decorating Tools Red Food Brushing Kit. This chrome-plated airbrush is versatile and easy to use, which is why it's ideal for beginners and experts. Some consider this the best airbrush for cookies with its specifications and features. It's powered by an 18 psi compressor unit featuring 9 watts of power. It has 3 adjustable levels you can choose from. Cake Boss Decorating Tools Red Food Airbrushing Kit is very easy to use. Simply turn it on, pour some airbrush color into the reservoir and gently pull the trigger. You can color cakes, cookies as a whole, or you can airbrush over stencils. More so, you can write and create detailed designs too. In this kit, you get a plastic hose, special nozzle wrench, plastic dropper, AC1V, 5HZ, 60HZ adapter, and a case. You also get an instruction booklet containing a detailed guide on how to effectively use the kit. This airbrush kit makes decorating fun and effortless, allowing you to make some creative cookies and cakes. Use the best Cake Boss airbrush for cookies with other Cake Boss bakeware and tools for the ultimate airbrush experience and results.